for another video. Bit of a detailing video today. Now, as of today, which is like August Bank Holiday weekend, I'm in the middle of an hosepipe ban area, mint. So I've been doing what I can. My interior's never been so clean, but we can't do it outside. But what I thought we'd do is give my windscreen a good old clean, get it ceramic protected with this sort of Gyeon QuickView. I've had this on shelf for a while. Might have even mentioned it in a few other videos. So we're going to do this today because we can't do anything else. So let's see how it goes. So the first job was to fully clean and prep the windscreen. I did it two blasts basically with just APC, rubbed it down from both sides. I didn't have my step ladder with me today because it's out on loan to somebody, so we made the best of it. Once I did that, I then went over it with sort of glass clean a couple of times, just got it as clean as possible. And then the last step was to basically use some Gyeon prep, and I've used that in my last ceramic coating video, and it's quite good, sort of strong degreaser that Gyeon do as well. And that was the last phase before we actually got to the point of applying the coating itself. So pretty straightforward job at end. Straight out of bottle, squeeze it, comes through like the, I don't know, the sponge applicator, and you just swirl it on. It says to leave it a minimum of 5 minutes. I gave it probably close to 10, but it said it sort of implied longer the better. So if you have got this, you know, feel free to leave it longer than that, because that's what it says on instructions. But you know, I can't wait all day. So I've buffed it all off. I've not tested it yet, because what I think I'll do now is just leave it to cure even longer, and then maybe throw a test shot on it tomorrow or something with water. But yeah, pretty straightforward. I don't know how long it lasts. Should have probably looked that up before I record this. But I think there's plenty left. What I'm going to do is another time is do my barn door windows, because there's no wipers on them, because not that you'd want them because they look horrific on the factory ones, but they do get clogged up, and you have to, I find I do a lot of motorway driving, so I have to wipe them a lot. But I think a bit of this on it might help when it comes to winter, so we'll do that. And if there's a bit left, we might do another application before, you know, proper winter starts. So we'll see. But yeah, dead easy to do. Recommend this. I picked Gyeon. It's my second Gyeon product I've used, purely because I watched Cornwall Car Care. Jody on that, he's a master. Go and watch him. Definitely go and watch him. And he's Gyeon certified, so he pushes a lot of these products, and he talks about how they're brilliant they are. So I thought I'd give it a go. And yeah, pretty easy to use. I'm really happy with the Gyeon rim that I put on my new calipers as well. When I have went last time I cleaned it, got in with my detailing brushes, piece of cake, just fell off really. Anything that were actually stuck to it, which weren't a lot. So yeah, Gyeon seemed like a good brand, so we might try one or two more of their products. So I'll kick out a few videos on that as well. But yeah, stay tuned. Just trying to keep the channel flowing with bits and pieces, little jobs I'm doing, until we get the next big job to do. So yeah, if you want to see a bit more, like and subscribe. Cheers.